how you can delete music added on post from Instagram after posting. So before we start, I will not lie to you. So you can't really change or delete music that you set on post after posting. The only way to delete music from the post is to delete entire post and post the same picture again after deleting music. What you can do if you didn't post music is like remove music before posting. Like for example, let us choose and you can just click on this X button. So that's the only way you can remove music. So after posting, there is no way you could remove only music from post. If you go to edit, for example, you won't find an option for changing or deleting music. So the only way is to delete the entire post and post the same picture again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.